there are a lot of, this the thing with this range is it's so choppy. So yeah, you're drawing so many lines and you're giving yourself a bit of a headache here at this point. So I think, zooming out and like looking at like more um like wider ranges, and trying to put in like buy orders lower. It all depends obviously on your strategy. Like if you are trading this short term, if you only just want to get in for a quick gain and out, which I think is actually currently right now for any trader the best strategy, get in and out with your profits. But if you are looking at accumulation and buying in lower, it is time to buy very little, if any, and wait. All right. Um, I'm going to talk more about my strategies and what I'm going to be doing in this market tomorrow. No, sorry, Thursday evening with the gem hunters. So if you want to tune in, I can blab about it there for you, because that's what the chat is about the state of the market, our strategies right now, our current strategies for traders. So I can tell you more, but for yourself right now, guys, getting in pond, it just, it's a huge downtrend. Where's the bottom? That's the part I have on at the minute. So you'd want to do your homework in terms of unlocks for this coin, or when are there any, like, the unlocking events, all that, really what's happening, with the early investors, are they coming out of this again, because it's either a very new coin, looks like it was only launched in March 21, or else let me just check, is there another chart with more history to it? Pond, we have Coinbase. Let's check Coinbase and Binance. Binance doesn't have a USDT pair, only BUSD, but let's have a look. So maybe I'm wrong on this. That's even less information on this and similar. So it must be, kind of hasn't been around for that long. Obviously, usually vesting projects, they vary between 3 months, 6 months, a year, 2 years. When are the unlocks happening? It doesn't look amazing currently to just bet like, okay, this is the bottom, because it is going to obviously be dependent on Bitcoin moves from here up, and this is a strong project. You have some sort of a structure here with like this W here, and this level of support, but it's such a choppy zone. A lot of levels that you could easily place your bets from, and wait for any reaction from the market. But for the long-term investment into Pond, I would be very careful, waiting maybe for either deeper drop, or coming back above. Even getting in right now with a stop loss, like that's just what I'm saying. I would be just getting in and out, because it could give you a little pump. It could give you like a little, because there's alts actually all over. I'll show you in a minute, because Silo is doing very well. It's meant to be listed on Coinbase, and I think that's what pushing it as well. But like, if you are doing any of this, if you are trading off news events and things like that, just make sure that you pay yourself and you secure those profits and use them then to buy the dip. All right. So not much more for me to say for Bond here. on the daily, you can see how that, choppy zone is just really tight, and that 50 is coming down to it. You'd kind of want the price to go to the 50 and not the other way around to see some strength. But that's, I think, for punt, all I wanted to say.